Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I'm Brent. Subscribe, hit notify if you'd like to stay up to date. Check it out. So you've probably seen me do these before, but behind me I have an S550 Mustang Gen 2, so 15 to 17, and it's running a TVS 2.3 liter supercharger from Roush and Ford Performance. So this is like a combined effort on the supercharger. They rated at 670 flywheel horsepower. This one was purchased from Ford Performance because this is what the client requested, and it comes with a ProCal device to load the calibration on the vehicle. You can also get the same supercharger from Roush, and the software we have here will load the Roush calibration on the vehicle, but I'm pretty sure it's the same calibration. They're both 670 horsepower. That's flywheel, okay? So I'm gonna make a dyno pull to see what it lays down to the rear tires. Typically it's gonna make over 580 to the rear tires. It's a manual transmission car, but there it is. Let's actually go look at it real quick. So the kit comes with 47-pound injectors. You get the 2.3 liter supercharger, get a new air induction system. It's completely intercooled, everything you need. Heat exchanger, everything like that. I've got the air box lid off from the dyno, creates a little bit more air. And I actually do that on the street a lot. So if it's raining, I put the lid on. But if it's a nice day, I take the cover off. And it does make a little bit more power when you do that. But enough of that. Let's make a dyno pull and let's look at the numbers. Hey, that was awesome. I actually sat back and watched. Dom made that dyno pull right there, but check this out. 592 rear wheel horsepower SAE, 494 torque. Really cool. And that's the 670 flywheel horsepower package. We do have an upgrade for this to take it up to 727. So it's a pulley, fuel pump upgrade, and new calibration. But there you have it right there. That's the Gen 2 Coyote 15 to 17 Roush / Ford Racing Supercharger Kit. And this car is actually all stock except for the muffler. So factory exhaust manifolds, factory cats. Made really good power, super reliable on the street. It's awesome. You want something like this installed, you can always email quote@brenspeed.com just to see how much it costs, or we ship them out right off brenspeed.com, free shipping in the 48 states. I'm gonna put a link in the description to this kit. I'll also put a link to the upgrade kit in case you already have this, so you can read more about it, or leave a comment, I'm happy to answer. Thanks for watching.